Alright folks, I'm in the back of my 2022 Tesla Model Y, and I want to show you, one of the cool features is this glass roof. I actually really like it. I like being able to look up and have a nice little sky view. And now the only issue with this, glass roof is that the inside gets really hot. Even on an 80-degree day, the inside temperature of the car could reach to 100 easily. And I've had the inside temperature reach up to 143. And I'm in California, so 143 degrees sounds like something I would only see in my oven. So what I decided to do is to get one of these kind of inside shades to cover up, this whole beautiful glass roof. So I got this thing here from Amazon, and I'm going to install it, and then we'll check and see if it actually does help with the heat. Okay, so let's open this thing up. I'm assuming it's like a shade, except it's going to go underneath. So, oh, and it comes with a couple of parts. I think there are two pieces. I think I just dropped something. Oh, looks like there's some clips. Okay, so I'm assuming these clips are going to retain this, because you don't want this to fall. I'm just going to set it aside. You don't want it to fall while you're driving. Here's some more clips. I'm going to set these aside. So I'm also going to assume that there are two parts of the shade, and they did it now with two parts so that it doesn't sag. Okay, so here you go. I want to be careful. I don't want to like go to the seat and scuff the seat. More retaining clips. All right, so here's one. I got it, and looks pretty self-explanatory. I just need to figure out where. Oh, okay. So right in here, it says TOPFIT rear. Okay, that's great. Very helpful. TOPFIT rear. All right, let's pull out the other piece. And looks like this part, hopefully I could show it the camera, it says TOPFIT front. So this is going to go to the front. I don't want to let this thing pop out again like crazy, so I'm just going to be careful here. Okay, and I'm going to slowly move this down. Okay, great. TOPFIT front. And I hear more retaining clips. Alright, so it looks like I've got, so these two are different from all the others. Okay. Now, I'm just going to put this aside, and I'm going to look for the precious instructions, if there are any in here. Nope. No instructions. Alright. I guess I can make do. Alright, one thing I noticed is that there are eight of these and 2 of these. So I think what's going to happen is I'm going to split them up in 4 for each. So we have 2 of these shades, and let's do this here. 2 of these shades, so 4 for each shade, and these other guys are going to be what unite the 2 shades. So I am going to just show you how to do it. as I show myself how to do it as well. So I'm gonna put the top lift front first, and it's a little cramped in here with me and this thing, but here it goes, and I'm gonna go into the passenger seat to do this. And it has to slip in there. Actually, I have it backwards. All right. So like this. Aha. That's making sense. Let me put another one back here. And looks like everything's supposed to slip under there. Aha. Okay. There you go. Let me go to the other side. Okay, so we're here in the back, and I'm gonna do the same exact thing. And I think it's gonna go like this. All right, just like that. And I'm gonna put in the clips. You're not gonna see me put in the clips on the other, on one side. And let me see if I can show you if I do it with one hand. Alright, so this thing is supposed to be underneath, so it does this little flip like that, and then try not to scratch your interior. So this slides in there just like that. So this thing just kind of has to be a little snug. I think I'd like one to be here actually. Let me put another one. All right, so here we are again with this clip. And back here, it does one of these. Wow, one-handed sucks. Let me see if I can do one of these things first. Sorry folks, I'm gonna need two hands. Alright, so guys, you know, I actually wish I had more clips. I'm gonna put this on here so you can see the actual process of what it looks like to put it on. Alright, so I don't think I have enough to put one here in the front. It looks like it's sagging, can you tell? Looks like it's sagging. I don't have enough. I only have 8 of these clips. But I'm gonna put one here just so you see the process, okay? And the good thing about this shade is that it can bend like this, but you do need both hands. So this is gonna go completely underneath like that, okay? But what you need to do first is hug the little wire that's inside this fabric, this little piping, and then bend it and then slip it like that. Super duper easy. I wish I had one here in the front, but I don't think I have enough. So I actually think I need to take this off and use it for the back shade. So anyhow, I might have to order more. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I don't have enough, but let me put the back shade on and we can go from there. But let's go over here. Yeah, you can see that. That's great. So this guy is going to go in here. I'm going to slip it. I'm going to slip it in here first. There we go. About halfway. Actually, no, it's less. It's more than halfway. Let me pull it out. Okay. Okay, let's do a clip back here. And I'm gonna put it in the middle. There. And the one on the other side is also gonna go in the middle. Something like that. I've got 2 clips left. So what I'm going to do is steal one of these for the front so it doesn't sag, and one for the back so that it doesn't fall off in the middle of driving or something. And let's go to the front. You can see me do this for the front. I'm going to try to do it from all the way back here. And there you go. And that's the shade, folks. Let me just show you how I configured it. You know, my big concern is that it doesn't fall off while I'm driving. So here you go. Here's 1 clip, 2 clip, here's the middle clip, 3, 4, 5, the middle one, 6, 7, and 8. And there's a little bit of sagging there. May not be a big deal. Now the true test is temperature. So we'll have to leave it out in the sun a little bit and see how the temperature, how it shades against the sun. So here you go. Doesn't look bad. So I'm in the passenger seat, and I can still kind of tell that there's a little bit of a sag there, but it's really because of the retainer clip. If I take this retainer clip out, then you know the whole thing kind of comes down a bit, but there's none of that sag. So I think I'm okay with that. And really the real need for this is when it's sunny. Here's a look from the passenger seat. So it doesn't look so bad. Doesn't look so bad. You know, I think it's okay. But let's see how good it is at blocking the sun. All right, so it's about 83 degrees here where I'm at, and I think normally when it's about in the 80s, I've seen the car be as hot as like 143 degrees. So let's go out to the car right now and let's see how hot it is. Okay, so I won't lie to you, it's hot. Yeah, it says 84 degrees outside. Let's see how hot the car is now in here. So for sure, we have dropped some degrees with having the shade in. So I would say this is a good buy to have the shade. I would definitely recommend it. And I'll put a link in the description if you're interested. And, you know, at the very least, it'll shade you while you're driving. But I do think it does help to drop the internal temperature of the car.